Is it safe to install APK files on Roku?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going to discuss a question that we've been seeing quite a bit lately. Is it safe to install APK files on Roku? Now, this might seem a little complicated, but stick with us as we break it down and answer your queries.
What is an APK?
First things first, let's understand what an APK is. An APK, or Android Package Kit, is a file format used by the Android operating system to distribute and install mobile apps. They are a way to sideload apps, or install them without going through the official App Store.
Can you install APKs on Roku?
Now, moving on to the main question, can you install APKs on Roku? The simple answer is no. Roku uses its own proprietary operating system called Roku OS. It does not support the Android operating system or APK files.
Are APKs safe?
So, we've determined that you can't install APKs on Roku, but let's talk about APKs for a moment anyway. Are they safe? It's important to note that the safety of APKs can vary. While some APKs are safe, others can contain malicious software that could harm your device or steal your data. Always make sure you're downloading APKs from a reliable source.
How to install apps on Roku?
Since APKs are off the table, how do you install apps on Roku? Roku has its own channel store where you can download and install a wide variety of apps. You simply need to navigate to the channel store on your Roku device, search for the app you want, and click Install. To sum things up, it's not possible to install APK files on Roku, and even if you could, it's always important to exercise caution when dealing with APKs due to potential safety concerns. Instead, use the Roku channel store to install apps safely and securely. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your tech questions. Stay tuned for more informative discussions, and as always, keep exploring.